Hello friends and welcome back to the Techligent channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte mini PC with Core Ultra 5 225H CPU and up to 96 GB of memory. So friends, the Gigabyte has announced the latest offering supporting a Intel Core Ultra 5 225H CPU paired with up to a whopping 96 GB of memory, and the mini PC is 12.6 into 3.4 into 11.9 centimeter and no room for discrete graphics and has to rely on the integrated R130 Ti GPU with 8 XT core, and the system can be equipped with SO-DIMM slot for DDR5 6400 memory. So friend, the connectivity port including dual USB-C 3.2 Generation 2 port, dual USB-A 3.2 Generation 2 and Thunderbolt 4 and 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet port, audio jack and dual HDMI 2.1 port. So friend, the storage requirements are handled by the dual M.2 2280 slot and M.2 2230 slot. It's provided for wireless networking, and the system also benefits from VESA mount, allowing convenient mounting for those who prefer it that way. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.